In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do CapCut tracking step by step, so you can make text, stickers, or images follow a moving object in your video automatically. This is one of the easiest ways to make your edits look more professional, more dynamic, and much more polished without having to keyframe every single movement by hand. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut and load the project you want to work on. If you haven't started yet, create a new project and import the video you want to edit. Once your footage is on the timeline, import the text, sticker, or image that you want to track. This could be a call-out, a logo, an emoji, or any overlay element you want to attach to something moving in the video. After that, drag your text, sticker, or image above the main video layer on the timeline. This is important because the tracking feature works on overlay elements, so make sure your clip is positioned correctly above your footage. Next, click on the text, sticker, or image so it becomes selected. Once it is highlighted, look over to the editing panel and find the tracking option. In CapCut, this is the tool that tells the overlay to follow motion inside your video. Click Tracking to open the tracking controls. Now you'll see a tracking box appear on the preview screen. Position that tracking box over the object or person you want to follow. Try to place it carefully over something with clear movement and visible detail, because that helps CapCut analyze the motion more accurately. For example, you might track a face, a hand, a car, or any subject that stays visible in the frame. Once the box is in the right place, click Start Tracking. CapCut will now analyze the video and calculate the movement for your overlay. Depending on the length of your clip and the amount of motion in it, this may take a few moments, so just wait for the process to finish. After CapCut completes the analysis, your text, sticker, or image should now follow the selected object throughout the clip. You can preview the result and see if the tracking looks smooth and accurate. If needed, you can go back and adjust the position or try tracking again for a better result. This is a great way to add labels, reactions, effects, or branded graphics that stay locked to moving subjects in your videos. It makes your edits look much more advanced with just a few simple clicks. And that's how you use CapCut tracking. It's fast, beginner-friendly, and extremely useful once you know where to find it. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more easy editing tutorials.